You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Haha, I love those sort of words that do have a confusing pronunciation. Yes, it should be pronounced captura or capturi. But no, the British English pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, by the way, in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. Capture, that's your British English pronunciation, capture. Now, the Americans pronounce the R at the end, they say capture. Capture, British, American English, sorry, capture. A British English, capture. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.